Jon, welcome to Floor Talk. It's great to have you on the show.
Thank you very much. It's great to be on the show.
So Jon, tell us a bit about the partnership you have with Santander and Openbank.
It's a Spanish man and it's a Spanish company. This is my only Spanish partnership. Santander has a long history with the game of golf and being a professional golfer. It's a true honor to be a part of it. And then, well, we're here at the New York Stock Exchange for the opening of the soft launch of a new online bank here in the US, being Openbank.
Now, Jon, when deciding which brands you partner with, what factors do you consider?
I try to get brands that represent me in some kind of way, right? And trying to, at least having the opportunity to partner with somebody from Spain, a family that grew up in northern Spain like myself, not the same city, but close enough, that has a close history with the game of golf. I thought it was a no-brainer, right? They've also been involved in other sports like Formula One and many others. I think that was an easy choice, right? But I think every brand I've had, I try to see what their expertise is, what their motto is, and what they portray to the world, right? And that's what I try to link myself with. So my image in itself, or what is the name Jon, is either uplifted by those brands or related to those brands, right? And I try to be picky. Luckily, I've been able to have some great partners to join with and keep on going on those ventures.
Now, Santander is growing in the US market, which is a journey you yourself are familiar with. Do you see any parallels between your own experience in the US and what Santander is doing today?
There is a difference when you're playing in different parts of the world. The golf courses are different, the setting is different, right? So to be as complete a player as you can be, you have to play in all different environments. And coming to the US is a massive one, right? 3 of the 4 big majors are played in the US, all the big events are played in the US. So being able to come here, play college golf, and earn my degree that way was an absolute must as a golfer. And I think Openbank and Santander is very similar, right? If you want to be a global bank, if you want to be one of the biggest in the world, the US market is where you have to be, and especially the US youth, right? I think is the driving factor of a lot of the companies in this world, and at least the leading factor for a company to grow. So if they want to be considered as one of the biggest and be as optimized as they can be, the US market is something they need to tap into.
And finally, you've achieved a huge amount in your career and reached the pinnacle of your game. What are the key lessons you've drawn from that experience that are transferable into other walks of life?
You need to have that belief in yourself, right? So whether you're the CEO of a company or you start up as a business entrepreneur, nobody's going to have that belief for you. So you need to believe in yourself and the vision that you have of the future. Preparation, incredible amount of preparation, right? No matter what you want to do, fixating on every single detail and working on whatever your craft may be to then have the final product be what you want it to be, right? It's all the work behind the door, the closed doors. The things that people don't see is the most important part. And then at the end, I would say, as it comes to a team, as often, as humble and as direct communication as much as you can have it, right? Being able to, as a leader or as an employee, be able to tell the people around you and communicate an idea or a plan or a schedule, whatever it may be, is very, very important, right? And as it concerns to myself, being able to tell my team what I expect of them, the vision that I have in mind, and where I want to be is one of the most important factors. So then themselves, they can create a plan for me to get there.
All right, well, Jon, congratulations on your partnership with Santander and Openbank, and thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you very much.